Hi everyone, this is Dr. Yu. I am going to record a short video to show you how to use Notepad to create your web page. This is in addition to what we have been doing in class, and hopefully as you're building your web page, if you're doing this at home, this will continue to help you. Okay, so the first thing is that if you are on a Windows machine, you're going to go to the Windows icon in the lower left-hand corner. Click on that and find Notepad. It is an app, a free application. It's located in all of all installations of Windows. Okay, so if it's not here in the most used, you can look down for it in alphabetized here in the apps list here, or search for it in the Windows section here. But mine is over here, so I'm going to go ahead and open that up. Okay, so here we are. This is where we're going to type all of our HTML that we have been learning. So you need to use for this the HTML guide that you started creating in the back of your notebook, or the HTML that you've seen in the HTML tags and elements that you've seen in our lessons in code.org, lessons 2 and 3. Okay, so the first 3 tags you need in any HTML page are the HTML tags. I'm going to go ahead and put that in here. The opening tag and the closing tag. You need the head tag, and then you need a body tag. Okay, and remember, everything that is inside the body tags, inside over here, the content that's right between the 2 body tags, that's is what gets shown on the page. Everything inside the head tag does not get shown on the page. Okay, we're going to put a title in the head tag, and this title will put information in the bar that goes on the top or in the tab of a web browser. So title, I'm going to call this Dr. Yu's Fabulous Page. Here, body, I'm going to enter here a heading. H1, as you recall, is the largest heading. So this is the largest heading. Put a paragraph in. Greetings. Okay, and I'm going to put in a quick ordered list. Ordered list, if you recall, ranks the different items in the list. So there's the closing part. Each list item is separated with the LI tag. Here we go. If you recall, this is this. So a couple of things with HTML. First, you need to make sure that everything is spelled correctly. Second, everything needs to be in lowercase. And third, you got to close everything that you open. Okay, and then in the reverse order that you open them from. So over here, if you notice, the ordered list is closed right over here. Okay, so that the web browser knows to stop making whatever items in here part of that list. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and save the, I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to add a link. I'm going to do another heading. So let's do the H2 heading so you can see the difference. This is the second largest heading. And I'm going to say, I am a teacher at Cobb Middle School. Was that paragraph tag. So now what I want to do is make Cobb Middle School here. I want to click on it when I get to my web page so that I can go to that website. Okay, so I'm going to use the anchor tag for that, and that's the A. Okay, so with the other tags, this is what we've been doing. Okay, we have the element inside the tags with the opening and closing carets between it. So this is the opening tag, but we now need to tell the browser where do we want this page to go to. And how we do that is that we add the href attribute. href stands for hypertext reference. So we're going to put a href with a space in there. And then straight quotes, if you notice that these quotes are straight up and down and not curly. I'm going to type in the address for the Leon Schools website for Cobb. Okay, and I remember to close that quote. over here. So this part is extra in here, but you need it to tell the anchor tag where to go. Okay, I'm gonna go enter so you can see that. Middle school. Okay, so now my page is done, and what I need to do is save it to my, I'm gonna save it initially to my desktop over here so that I can see what it looks like in my browser. Okay, so I'm gonna go to File, up over here, down to Save As, and then click on Desktop, and then type, as per the instructions, one dash your surname, which is YU, well, my name is YU, your surname is something different, dash index.html. Okay, you got to have that .html. Make sure that it's a dot and not a dash. Okay, then click Save. I've already done that, so I'll replace it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and minimize that screen. And if you notice over here, this is my page. I've set Chrome as my preferred browser, so that's why it shows up as a Chrome HTML document. So if you double click on this, you will get to the website. So this is the page here. Okay, this is the bulleted items. This is the second largest heading, the H2 heading, the H1 heading, and if you click on this link, you notice that the cursor changed to a finger. I'm going to click on that, and then it's going to take me to the Cobb website, except I probably did that wrong. Oh, there it goes. Anyways, so that's how that works. I need to double check that, but anyways, so that's how you can work that page here. One other thing I want to show you is that, let's say, you exit out of Notepad and you want to go back in and work on it. So the easiest thing to do is to, on your desktop or wherever you've saved this document, click on it so it's highlighted, right click, and then go up to Open With. And if Notepad is not already listed here, then go to Choose Another App, scroll down to More Apps until you find Notepad. Okay? Click Open, and then there you go. So instead of opening in a web browser because it's an HTML document, it will now open in Notepad. Okay? So then you can continue editing these items. Okay? If you have any questions, please ask in class. I'm going to record another video later on that talks about how to save things to your OneDrive and how to upload them how to submit the item as once you're done with the website. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.